I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the remote batteries now. This clears intermittent power and lets devices reset. Once done, unplug the Android box for 10 seconds and then plug it back in to reset the receiver. Make sure you have fresh batteries ready so you can test immediately. You do this first because power and signal resets solve most pairing problems quickly, and it prevents wasted steps while you troubleshoot more advanced settings later. Next, pair the remote to the box. Press and hold the designated pairing combo, often OK plus back, for 5 to 10 seconds while the box is on. Once the LED or on-screen prompt appears, follow the box's pairing menu to confirm connection. If pairing fails, switch modes. Try Universal IR mode if the remote has a mode button, or enable Bluetooth discovery on the box and rerun the scan. These steps address both IR and Bluetooth. Finally, perform the remote's factory reset or reprogramming routine documented in its quick guide. This wipes custom settings and restores default codes. After resetting, insert fresh batteries and test navigation, home, back, and volume to confirm full function. If problems persist, make sure the box's IR receiver is unobstructed and try a smartphone remote app or a replacement remote to isolate hardware vs software faults. One key tip: swap batteries first. Low power mimics many pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.